Sir, here the network is full. You are visible very properly.
Very properly?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's see up till when it continues. Okay. कब तक ये चलेगा? Let's see. Okay. So beta, I am audible and visible proper. I hope so. And what's today's date?
19.
Yes. Which chapter is going on?
Chapter number 3.
Your chapter.
Changing your earth.
You can read it properly. Is it visible properly, or shall I take it little closer?
Sir, it is visible properly.
Okay, wait a minute. Still, I will take it little closer. Yes, I think now it's okay. Okay, now it's fine, I think. Okay. So, beta, in the last class, up till where we have done? Now, before starting our classes, what do we do?
Sir.
Yes.
Prayer. 2 minutes prayer. Prayer.
Yes, beta,
sir, prayer.
please.
2 minutes prayer.
Please start your prayer. Start your prayer, because already 10 minutes have gone. Because I was trying. I gone downstairs for some work. That's why I was late. But no problem. Okay. Just start your prayer now. Join your hands, everyone. Only 2 minutes. Okay. Don't waste too much time. Okay. Yes. Join your hands. Close your eyes. Then after we can discuss about our class. Okay. Okay, beta. Shall we start now? Yes?
Yes, sir.
Open your eyes. Okay, beta. Yes. Let's start. Now, who will say in the last class what we had discussed, beta? What we were upon? What we were discussing? Can you say, beta? You were discussing on?
Yesterday we finished the page number 13, volcano and seismograph. That page we have completed that page of chapter number 3, and we have to start from 14 page number, earthquake, a case study.
Earthquake, a case study. It is that was remaining, no?
Yes, sir. We have start from that.
We have to start from this. Okay. Yes. So everyone, you know how does that earthquake takes place? How does it occur? Because I told you that the plates that are under the surface of the earth, when they move or when they collide with each other, okay, or when they hit together, this is how when the earth trembles or the land. So whatever plates, if the plates are moving, or we can say when they change their places, at that time what happens? The changes happens on the surface of the earth also. Okay, and this is how the earthquake takes place. Yes?
Sir, I have a doubt.
Yes,
sir,
beta?
earthquake, sir, under the surface of earth, due to also temperature, it's move.
Due to temperature.
Yes, sir.
Yes, due to inside the surface of the earth there is like lot of pressure, heat. So it may happen due to heat and pressure also, because you know if due to heat and pressure it doesn't stay at one place itself. Okay, so it just keeps on moving. Suppose the heat is too much and
there will be expansion.
So if there is lot of heat and pressure, means if it cannot stay at one place due to lot of heat and pressure, and you know it's like how many degrees Celsius we cannot say, that much heat and pressure it has. Okay, so it can expand also sometimes. So that expansion is actually happening in a form of volcano eruption. Do you know that? Yes or no? So due to volcano eruption also, that is what the expansion, it will expand in a form of volcano eruption. So this is how the molten magma comes out of the surface of the earth. How does it come out of the surface of the earth? Due to volcano eruption. Okay, this you already know. Yes or no? This you already know. You have learned it.
Yes, sir. Yes.
Yes, beta. So everyone has an idea of that.
Yes, sir.
How the volcano eruption takes place, how it cools down, and how it then slowly it takes the form of rock, okay, hard surfaces, okay. That all things we have learned in the last class. Not only last class, in the previous standards also you have learned. Okay, so you have a good idea of how the volcano eruption takes place. So now, sorry beta, here we are going to see an earthquake. How does the earthquake takes place? That also you know. Okay, so these both things you already know properly. Now here we are going to see that what are the precautions that we can take, or how we can prepare for the earthquakes to come. Now you know, earthquake is a kind of like natural calamities that happen, okay, with no prediction. Now there are lot of calamities that everyone has a prediction, or they can predict. Are you getting me what I am saying? Are you getting me what I am saying?
Yes, sir.
Hello? Like cyclones are there. This point we have discussed yesterday? No, no? We haven't discussed. Did I discuss this? No. Hello?
No, sir.
Okay. So let's continue. So there are various calamities, like for example rain in monsoon season. So that you can predict. Scientists always predict in that by looking in the supercomputers. Okay, they search for they research that how the weather would be after 3-4 days, or this coming week how would be the weather. So these things they can see in future, means like weather. Okay, that weather, what would be the weather, whether it would be monsoon season, whether it would be sunny, too much sunny day, or it will be rainy day. Okay, these things you can predict. And as well as like cyclones, yes or no, that also they can see in that supercomputers. They can see that within 2 days a cyclone will be coming. Okay, so you have to get ready to face that. Okay,
Sir,
these things you can.
sir, sir, some days before there was a cyclone.
Yes. Which one was that? Tokte was there, no? Means not some days before. I think in the last month
Yes,
it
sir,
was
coming
there, no?
from the south.
Yes, it was coming from the South India. Okay, from South
So
Indian.
Indian Ocean.
From South Indian area, from Goa, from Kerala, Karnataka, from that side the cyclone came, and it already hit in the Gujarat coastal regions. Yes or no? Okay, especially in Veraval, that side, that cyclone was hit. Okay, so how, and scientists already predicted it and gave a news,
Sir,
okay, to all of us.
We got information of cyclone before 2 days.
Yes, before 2 days they have already predicted, and they have said all the people living in Gujarat, they have given a warning also. You have to be safe, that this cyclone is coming, and you have to get prepared for this. Okay, all the safety precautions you have to prepare. Okay, so this way they have already predicted, and they have told us 2 days before they have said, yes or no. That means they can predict these kind of natural calamities. But earthquake is a kind of calamity which cannot be predicted. We cannot say that, yeah, now after 2 days earthquake will come. because Earth can quake at any time. You know, the plates can move at any time, and that no one can predict. Okay, the weather and everything, that is upwards. Okay, the sky, the climate, the clouds, all these are above our Earth. So that we can predict, the scientists can find that easily. But that which is underground, okay, means the plates, when do they move? That we cannot predict and say that when it can move. It can happen at any time. So earthquake can happen at any time. Okay, no scientist can predict that. But still, okay, so for that we need to know that how we have to prepare for at the time of earthquake. Okay, what preparation or what kind of preparation we can make or we can take, we have to do those things. It is already written in your book. Everyone look in that page number 1414, beta, everyone just look in that, earthquake preparedness. Can you see that? Where to take shelter during an earthquake. Now suppose right now if I am standing over here, I am explaining to you in the class, yes or no? So at this time also it can happen. We cannot predict and say it can happen. Now if I am explaining, I am writing in the board, at that time earth can quake. No one can predict, no one knows. Okay, it can happen, it might come. Okay, earthquake might occur. We cannot predict. Okay, so suddenly at that time what all things I can prepare for myself for me to be safe? Yes or no? So it is already written over here. Like safe spot is there. Can you see? Everyone look in that book, page number 14. Can you see, beta, everyone? Please reply.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Safe spot under a kitchen counter. Under a kitchen counter.
Yes, sir.
Or under a table. Under a table you have to, what you have to do? Suppose earth is quaking. Suppose earth is quaking, suddenly you have to go and sit under a table so that you can cover your head, so that nothing falls on your head and you can be safe. Okay, otherwise what would happen? All these buildings and these big walls will fall over your head and you can die also. There can be a situation. Okay, so it is better to cover our head. So for that you can directly run and get under a table or a desk. Okay. Again,
sir, we can hide under the bed also, na?
What? We can hide under the
bed. We can hide under the bed, na?
Bed can be danger because the surface of that bed is long, no? So that strength of that walls and everything it cannot handle. So if it falls suddenly on that bed, why? Because the bed's surface is flat. So when it falls here directly, this cannot handle, this surface cannot handle, it can dump also. Clear? It can break also. So it's not safe to be under a, but table means its surface is not that much long, it can be this much, or it, so, and it can be strong also. Yes or no? So this can handle, means you might not get that much hurt. I am not saying you will not be hurt a single point, but still you can be, you can prepare and you,
okay, sir.
you will not be that much hurt. You will not be that much hurt. Did you understand? Okay. I need to rub
yes,
this.
Sir.
I need to rub this board properly. Okay. So everyone listen now. Next one, stay away from. So which all kind of things? Which are the things from which we have to stay away? Which are they? Like fireplaces, areas around chimneys, okay, windows that shatter, including mirrors and picture frames. Okay, so from these things you have to stay away. Otherwise, what would happen? If fire will catch you, then again it will create another problem, another big problem. Clear? So this you need to understand. Clear?
Yes,
Clear,
sir.
everyone?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, chimney means understood? Yes?
Yes, sir.
When
We
the
know
earthquake
chimney.
comes, we go on the terrace. It will be safe or not?
What are you saying, beta?
When the earthquake comes, we go on the terrace. So it will be safe or not?
No, beta, that would be the most dangerous part if you go to the terrace. Beta, terrace means you are standing on the top of the building. Building is collapsing. See, if building will collapse, you will directly fall only. And you can suddenly lose your life. That is the most dangerous part. It is not like always if something falls on your head, then only you will die. If you go and stand on the terrace, that is the most danger part. Don't go and stand on the terrace while at the time of earthquake. Okay, either you run and go to some, don't go to like if you are living in a flat, okay, in a 5 to 6 storied building, then don't go to the terrace and stand there. Because what would happen? Building is already collapsing, it will collapse, then you will directly, you are falling only. From top to the bottom you will fall directly. There is no any excuse, no one is going to help you, okay. But if the rescue team will come and it will take you, means with that helicopter, if they will help you, then that is another thing, okay, that is another thing, then you will be safe only. But otherwise don't go and stand in a place where like any corner, okay, or like you are standing on the center of the house. Don't go and stand at the center of the house, because center means that is danger only. All the four walls are around you, so all those walls will fall upon you, so that will be also a very dangerous thing. And also don't go to the terrace and stand there, that also it would be very much dangerous, okay. So don't go and stand on the terrace.
Sir, we should run in a plain land.
Plain land is okay, not that much problematic. And then just try to cover yourself with something. If it is a table, then that would be very much fine. Otherwise, just try to cover which is something very strong, okay. Just try to cover under that, so that you can be safe, okay, so that nothing can fall on you. Do you understand?
Sir, we can hide in the cupboard.
Better cupboard. See, cupboard can also get damaged, no? Cupboard can also get damaged. So if you are inside cupboard, means obviously you will also be damaged. Means your life also will go, because cupboard, it will fall down.
Sir. Sir, we can go and stay in the doors. There are 3 walls. We can stay there.
What are you saying?
सर हमारे गेट नहीं होते, रूम के जो गेट, सर यहाँ पर जो डोर होता है ना, उसके ऊपर, that place we can stand there ना.
Gate. But yes.
Sir, in a 3K standard, sir was telling that.
Yes, you can stand in, but the thing is that you should find a place where you can be safe. That's it. Okay, but don't go to some place where you will find danger later. Okay, you have to think before going and stand or going and sitting in one place when the earth is quaking. Just think before that, if you will go there, will I be safe? Just think for that, then only go and stand there. Don't just simply, yes, there it can be safe, so I will go and sit there. No, think twice. If I will go there, is there any problematic thing that will fall upon me, or is there anything else that will put me in trouble? This kind of things you have to think before, okay. Otherwise it would be better if you protect yourself, because protection of you is the most important thing. Yes or no? And also, if your family members are there, ask them also to be safe with you. Okay, you just don't go and hide at one place. Otherwise, where your parents, where your brothers and sisters will go, everyone you should help them. You should take them also. Clear? Understood?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Herman?
sir.
Okay. So now we are going into what? Okay, so did you understand how you
Excuse me,
prepare? Yes.
Yes, sir.
Sir, I will send the message of PDF, but you not seen the message.
Yes, beta. What's your name, beta?
Sir, Kavya.
Kavya. Beta, what's your full name? Hello.
Yes, sir.
Hello. Yes, beta. Yesterday you have texted me. in WhatsApp?
No, sir. 2 days
Then?
before.
2 days before. Okay, means which PDF you wanted, beta? Which PDF?
Sir, I want the chapter geography chapter number 2 last in give reason question 2 question 3 I want.
Acha. Okay, beta. Do one thing. You called me. That would be fine because you know I am also busy after the school schedule. Also, I would be busy. So there might be a time when I won't see the messages also. So it's better you call me. Okay. And if I don't pick up the call, I will call you back. Don't worry. Okay. Whether if I will be late, then also okay. But I will call you.
Sir, she want worksheet of chapter 2.
You want worksheet or that textual question answer? What do you want, beta? Hello, Kavya.
Sir, I sent the message on 16 date.
16th. Okay. Means what did you want exactly? What did you want? Worksheet. Hello. Hello. Kavya. Hello. Kavya, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Beta, what did you want? Or what do you want
Sir,
actually?
Sir, give reason question 2 and 3.
Okay, from textbook means textual question answer you want. Means textual exercise, no? That give reason you want.
Sir, when you will send a PDF of Geography Chapter 2 worksheet?
Geography Chapter 2 worksheet. Okay, Geography Chapter 2 worksheet I have not sent, no? Okay, beta. Okay, I will send you, beta. No problem. Today I will send you after this class. Okay, after this class I will send you
the photos.
Okay. Today I will send Geography Chapter 2 worksheet. So everyone listen. Today I will be sending Geography Chapter 2 worksheet question answer, that PDF. Okay. You will have to, if anyone has completed that, cross check your answers with that PDF, or else if you have not completed, with the help of that PDF, look that PDF and you can complete it. Clear? Clear, beta?
Sir, but
And
I
Kavya,
want
Yes, Kavya, I have understood. You wanted
Sir,
the...
I want
give
to say
reason
you something.
Wait a minute. But I am now talking to Kavya. Everyone listen. Kavya, listen. What I am saying? I am saying that I will give you that text. And textual PDF I have already sent. No, in that give reasons everything was there only. Yes or no?
Yes,
You have not got
yes,
Kavya?
सर आपने भेजा तो है बट मेरे में हाफ ही दिख रहा है.
अच्छा, ऐसा कैसा हो सकता है? How is it possible?
इसीलिए इतना
Okay. Okay, then no problem. I will send you personally. Okay? Okay. Today I will send you after this class. Yes, beta.
Okay, sir.
Now tell what you want to say.
Sir, if you want to don't write the worksheet of the for making videos, sir, I have sent you the clear photos, sir, for your time, not wasting time. Send that photos.
What means you have sent that worksheet question answer? Means you have written?
Yes, sir.
Achha.
Yes, sir.
Beta, what's your name? Khush. What's your name?
Sir, Jeet.
Jeet,
Sir,
you have
Jeet.
completed that.
Yes, sir. Sir, when you said that, sir, 3 students have to say. Sir, 3 students have to say, send that photos. I have done that this time.
Acha, very good, very good. Okay, no problem. No, beta, no problem. No need to send me. Okay, yeah, if you have sent, it is okay, very good. Okay, but still, once again, I will send that everything. Textual PDF, worksheet PDF, everything I will send it once again in your groups. So those who have not got, they also will get it, and those who have already got, you can check it whether you have done or not. Clear?
Sir, worksheet answers are so easy.
Yes, sir, I
it's so
have
easy
done.
only, beta. हाँ,
Yes,
but
sir,
I am what मैंने क्या बोला वो सुना? Have everyone understood what I have said? I will send it
Yes,
all
sir.
things once again. Geography chapter 1 textual question answer PDF, worksheet geography chapter means chapter 2 not chapter 1, okay. Then geography chapter 2 textual question answer PDF, geography chapter 2 worksheet PDF, and yes, that's it. These two things I will send you. You have to complete it, those who have not completed, and those who have completed, please check it whether you have done or not. Clear?
Sir, today
Clear now? Yes, today only I will send it after this class. After this class gets over, I will send it. Okay, beta? Clear? Okay.
Yes, sir.
Now can I take the class? Shall I continue?
Yes, sir.
Yes.
Huh. Beta, lot of time wasted in discussing this thing. Okay. So let's continue. So this preparation for earthquake, this we have already seen, and I hope that you have understood. Now, this is very important thing. Okay. I told you that earthquake is very difficult for us to predict, but still man has found out some predictions. Some predictions man has done in his own way, in his own thinking. In the thinking of man, they have decided some points that how they will predict the earthquake. Okay. So among that, the first point is fish. Okay, fishes in the pond will start trembling, or what they will do? They will start
Agitated. They will be agitated.
agitated, not agitated. Agitated means, you know, it will start jumping, okay, from that water. Okay, fishes will. So at that time, so when you feel that fishes are suppose if you are having aquarium at your home, okay, and suppose for example at that time earth is quaking, earthquake is coming. So at that time, okay, what that fish that is on the aquarium, it will start jumping here and there like this. Okay, it will not stay inside that water, it will start jumping here and there. That's what agitated means. Means they will feel uncomfortable. So when you feel that fishes are doing such behavior, okay, so that behavior in animals, behavior in that fish, at that time you predict that yes, earth is quaking or earthquake is happening. So by seeing that you will come to know yes, earth is quaking. Okay. Now, yes.
Sir, how
Yes,
fish
beta?
knows there was earthquake is coming?
Fish is not knowing, beta. It will feel it, because you know that water will tremble, no? See, water will tremble means it will the fish will directly come to know and it will start jumping here and there. It is not knowing because it is actually swimming under that water. Okay, so when this water will tremble like this, no, it will come to know. It will have an idea, because at the time when when everything was normal, the water was also normal. Yes or no? But when the earth will quake slowly, at that time, yes, the fish will come to know that yeah, something wrong is happening. Means something is shaking. So
Okay,
that
sir.
will also start agitating. Understood now? So that is what they will come to know. So these are the first prediction that man has already found out. The second one is snakes. Second one we are talking about snakes. Clear? Now snakes will start coming out of their holes. You know, snakes are living in holes. Do you know that?
Yes,
Snakes are
sir.
living-
Yes, sir.
So
Yes,
this-
sir.
what they will do when the earth will quake, at that time, as they are living under that hole, they will suddenly feel that yes, something is happening. So this earth will quake. So at that time, their holes, they will come out of the holes and they will start crawling here and there. Crawling means, understand, like this. They will come out of that hole and they will just go crawling. They will crawl here and there. So at that time, you will suddenly come to know that yes, something is happening or earth is quaking. Okay, because they are the ones who will understand first, because they are under the holds, no? Snakes also, or fishes, certain animals will come to know that they are, that something wrong is happening or earth is quaking. So by their behavior, we people can understand that, yeah, earthquake is happening right now. Clear? So this is how, these are the few examples, 2 examples that you can understand, or these are the predictions that man has already found out. Did you understand better, everyone?
Yes, sir. Sir,
Okay.
if the earth
Who is
is
saying no?
quaking,
Huh?
then the bird's behavior will change?
Birds behavior means, yes, means birds will not feel anything if they are
Sir,
yes beta.
sir, in the tsunami will come, the birds will get quickly, no? Then the birds will do like the snake do, means it will not feel comfortable.
Sir,
It will fly here
can I
and
say
there in
something?
the tsunami.
Yes, yes beta, one by one say, don't say everyone all together.
So may I say?
Yes beta, yes.
Sir, in the China there is a type of fish which know that if a tsunami is coming, she already know before 3 or 4 hours before. So
Yes, but a tsunami-
and yes sir, and sir it start jumping in the water. That all the people know that tsunami is coming and all such type of disaster
Yes,
is coming.
yes beta, yes. That is
Sir,
what I
when
told
birds
you. No?
fly very quickly together, that it is also sign of tsunami. It will common sign of tsunami.
Yeah, so this is how, these are known as what? Predictions. They will easily come to know. Yes or no? What did I say? They are all known to be as predictions. So human will also come to know, means they also will find this kind of prediction, and they will come to know that something is coming. Okay, like whether it can be tsunami or whether it can be, so these things can be predicted like this way. Otherwise earthquake, I told you, it is very difficult for prediction, but still man has found out some ways of predicting earthquake. Yes or no? Understood everyone? Understood?
Yes sir.
Okay,
Yes,
better.
sir.
Now I think the time is up.
sir.
Everyone understood today's lecture?
Yes sir. Sir, of course, so easy lecture today was.
Okay. Only today? Only today it was easy?
No, sir.
No sir. Sir, I
Acha.
have not said that. Every day it is so easy. You are explaining me in every detail, so it is easy every day.
Yes, okay. So this is how, if you respond to me, then I will also happy. Yes or no? Everyone should respond to me. Okay, beta? Not only one student, but everyone should reply. Now, there are still some students, those who don't reply me. I will tell the name.
Sir, thank you for teaching us.
Welcome.
Yes, sir,
Now,
thank you for teaching us.
Thank
you
you.
for teaching.
welcome, beta, welcome. But wait, nobody will leave. Do you want attendance
yes,
or shall I
sir.
put absent? Or shall I put
No,
absent?
sir.
Take attendance.
No sir.
हाँ, तो अगर attendance चाहिए, so you have to wait. Okay? Okay, one by one I will call your names. You have to say present. Okay? Yes, beta. So starting from first, roll number 1, Adi Patel. Adi Patel, are you there?
sir.
Very good. Ashvi Vagadia. Ashvi Vagadia. No, absent. Akshi Parmar.
Present sir.
Very good. Ami Raveshia.
Present sir.
Is it Ami?
Yes sir.
Your voice is very bass voice. Okay. Very good. Next, Arya Al. Arya Al.
Present sir.
Very good. Ayan Payak. Ayan Payak. Ayan is there? No. Not there.
Yes, sir, he is there.
Okay. Then say beta. Next, Bhakti Gajra.
Present, sir.
Bhakti Gajra. Okay, nobody will leave. Okay, homework is still remaining to say. Okay, next, Dharti Faith, not Dharti, Diya Dalsania. Diya Dalsania.
Present, sir.
Okay, now next, Dharti Fafer.
Present, sir.
Very good. Today many students are there. I am happy. Next, Dhruvi Kagadra. Dhruvi Kagadra. Dhruvi, are you there? Not there. Divyanshu Shukla.
Present, sir.
Very good. Next, Divyanshi Detroja.
Present, sir.
Very good. Hariom Kasundra. Hariom Kasundra. Hello. Hello. Hariom Kasundra. Beta, are you there?
Sir, not there, I think.
Sir, he is not.
Not there. Why?
Yes, sir. He is not
Next.
there.
Next roll number. Wait a minute, beta. Okay, after Hariom, Harman Sheth.
Present, sir. Sir, what is my roll number?
Your roll number is 1414. Next.
Okay, sir.
Harsh
I am
Kalola.
present.
Okay, Harsh Kalola.
Sir, he is not there.
Sir, he is not there.
Harsh Kalola is not there. Okay, no problem.
No, sir.
Absent. Okay. Next, Harsh Dangar is not there, I know. Next, Jeel Kumar. Jeel Kumar Makatana.
Present.
Hmm?
Sir, present.
Jeel Kumar present. Okay. Jeet Kumar Vitlapara.
Of course, present, sir.
Of course. Okay, very good. Next, Juhi Joshi. Juhi Joshi. Juhi
Sir, he
Joshi.
is not there.
She
Sir,
don't used to come. Okay. Next, Kanj Loria. Kanj Loria. Kanj Loria.
Sir, not there. Not
Sir,
there.
he is not there.
Not there, sir.
Okay. Kavya Krishnani. Kavya Krishnani.
Present, sir.
Kavya Krishnani is there. Okay, good. Keval Dhabi. Keval Dhabi.
Not there,
Absent.
sir. Sir, he is
Khushi
not
Kasundra.
there.
Khushi Kasundra. Next, Khushi. No.
Sir, not
Krisha. Krisha Loria. Fast. Everyone, those who are there, say fast. Okay. Krisha Loria. Not there. Okay, fine. I will wait for 2 seconds only for present. Okay. If not there, I will put absent. Okay. Kusum Gajra.
Present, sir.
Okay. I will say names. I will say only 2 times names. If I did not hear, I will put absent. Okay. Okay. Mahin Mover. Okay. Mahin Mover is not there. Mirang. Okay. Mirang Patel. Mirang Patel. Absent. Nancy Lodaria.
Present, sir. What is my roll number?
28. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Richa Bhutt.
Present, sir. Sir, my roll number?
Beta, obviously 29. Then Sachi Soria.
Present, sir.
Sachi Soria. Yes. Next Shreya Jha.
Present,
Shreya Jha.
sir.
Present. You can see me, no? Is the video?
Yes, sir.
Visible?
Yes,
Okay,
sir.
next is Soham. Soham. Not there. Stella Sitapara.
Present, sir.
Okay, Vishwa Babarwa.
Present, sir.
Yesha
Sir, what
Panara.
is my roll number?
Present, sir.
Vishwa,
Yes,
your
sir,
roll
what
number is
is my roll?
34, beta. 34. Clear? Okay. Next
Yes,
is Yesha Panara.
Present, sir.
Okay, beta. So attendance is over. Now, what is the homework for you? Read page
Sir.
number 3 pages. First, listen the homework. First, listen everyone. Homework. Page number 15, 15, 16, and 17. When you will read these 3 pages, the entire chapter will be over. And the next 3 pages I will explain in the coming next classes. We will be completing this chapter, okay, within 2 days, I think. Within next 2 days we will be completing the chapter. Then we will go for the textual discussion, and also after reading the 3 pages, try to find out the answer of worksheet and write it down in worksheet. Okay, you can write it by yourself, but later I will send you today, okay, geography chapter 2, everything I will send you once again. So everyone
Okay,
has to
sir.
complete it. Okay.
Sure. Okay, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay. Now what
Sir.
doubt do you have? Yes.
Sir, today activity is not
my
there.
roll number?
Anyone ask. Who wants to know roll number?
Sir,
30.
Dharti Pfeffer. Wait a minute, beta. Dharti Pfeffer, your roll number is 9.
Okay, sir.
Okay.
Okay, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Okay, beta. Okay, beta. You
Have a
can leave the
nice day,
class.
sir.
You are all having competition, no? So everyone can leave now.
Yes, sir.
All the
Yes,
best
bye,
for the
sir.
competition. All
Thank
the
you,
best.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay,
Thank you,
beta.
sir.
Bye-bye. Bye-bye.
Bye,
See
sir.
you. Take
for
care.
teaching us. Thank you for teaching.
Welcome, beta. Bye-bye.
Bye.